rather with me, but using how many pumps. But first is foundation because I do not have primer. Okay, one tiny pump. But by the way, this one is from PLK. It's their Light Proof Every Serum Foundation. It has SPF 35 with UVA UVB. Done. Next is concealer. I got 8. By the way, this is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, and its shade is beige. So it's 8, right? 8. Okay, that's 8. Okay, that was swipes. Okay, blending. Done. Next is contour. 4. I think that's okay. Using this from BLK, and it's their matte cushion wand, and the shade is Cocoa. 4. Blending it. It's actually really cool. Next is blush. 6. Got 6, right? So this one from Color Me. I got this from Miniso, and it's Color Me all-in-one makeup stack. Guys, it has concealer, blush, contour, highlighter, and powder. 1, 6. Blend this. It actually turned out good. Next is powder. 6 again. I'm gonna use this one from the Face Shop, and it's their FMGT called Collagen Ampoule 2-way packed and 203 natural beige SPF 40 PA++. That was 6, so I'm just gonna blend 8. Okay, I'm done. Next is bronzer. 7. I got a bronzer from Vice Cosmetics. It's their Wonder Woman, and it has a highlighter. 1. That is a lot. Not really complaining. Next is powder blush. 5. And this one with Bologna. Oh my gosh. This, and I'm gonna use it. 1. Okay, that's done. I fixed it. Okay, so next is highlighter. 6. Let me use this one. This one is from the Color Me one, and I guess we need to do like 6 to 1. Blend it. Done. It looks pretty. Next is setting spray. Next, please don't be. This one's from BLK. It's a 3-in-1 makeup setting spray, hydrating mist, SPF 40 UVA and UVB, face and body, water resistant. So we're just gonna. It's done. Next is eyes. I got it all. So I have a BLK one, and this shades are Valberry Glow Sun Kiss Multi Palette Face, Eyes, and Lips. But this one I got from like the kids makeup, so I think we're just gonna try this, and we're gonna get to another filter, but we're just gonna see how many TikTok. 6. I think this one is, so let's see, orange. I have it here. I'm gonna put it, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna put it right here on the opening. Next, what color? Orange again. Right again here on the middle. What next color? Brown. Oh, I have brown. It doesn't look like brown, but now I guess we have teal. An interesting color, but I think it's this. So it's actually pretty cool. But we have 3 more to go. Next, what color? Teal again. Okay, I guess I'm not complaining. So, wait, I'm gonna put it on my under eye. 4th one. Next, what color? Brown again. Okay, I just put it on the top. So next, what color? Brown again. That's that. I just put it right there. Next is lip balm. So what is the lip balm gonna be? This one is from Vaseline. 1, 2, 3. Lip oil is 2. I just saw it. It's 2. So I noticed it wasn't 2. We're gonna going to do next. Oh, I forgot mascara. Okay, mascara, even though it's too late. 2. Okay, that's okay. 2, 4. Okay. Just gonna do that. That's not cheating. Barely just. By the way, this one is from Maybelline. It's their Hyper Curl Waterproof. This is lipstick. I got this from you. And how many swipes? And by the way, this one is, and it's in the shade Red Velvet. Or by 587. Oh, 6. This one. It's next is lip gloss. By the way, this lip gloss is from Baron Bliss. I love their gloss so much. It's their plumping lip gloss. So it's in the shade 05 and this 6 again. So but I really love it. So 1, 3. Okay, so yeah. By the way, this is the final look. Really awesome. I love it so much. I love you guys. Pretty.